Class, let's start part 7, magnetic effects of electric current. So in previous part we were studying about force. Here stand means after Oersted, Ampere suggested that the magnet must also exert equal and opposite force on a current carrying conductor according to Newton's third law of motion. So the magnetic field produced by a magnet exert a force on a current carrying conductor and produce a motion in it. This can be demonstrated by the following experiment. To show that current carrying conductor experiences a force when placed in a magnetic field, kick wire experiment is done. Kick wire experiment, you can see in the picture, this is your experiment setup in which he has placed a battery, a key here, means a strong horseshoe magnet, and aluminum rod is passing through it in the perpendicular direction. It is kept and suspended by a spring. So a small aluminum rod AB is suspended horizontally by meaning of two connecting light spring from a stand. A horseshoe magnet is now placed in a such way that the rod lies between the two poles of a magnet. The aluminum rod AB is connected to a battery through a press key in series. When the key is pressed, electric current passes from A to B. In this picture you can see key press करने पर means key close करने पर electric current pass होगी from A to B. And it observed that the aluminum wire is pulled down. जैसे current pass होती है because of force, aluminum wire will pull down. Aluminum wire नीचे की तरफ pull करती है, pull down, and the spring gets stretched. If the magnet is now removed, the aluminum wire returns back to its original position, means there is no force acting on it. If the experiment is repeated by reversing the direction of current, now a current is made flow from B to A. अब B to A बनाया जाएगा, B to A current flow हो रही है, then it will go up in upward direction force with because we have reversed the direction of current. So magnetic field is observed that the aluminum rod moves up and the spring gets compressed. From the above experiment and following conclusion can be drawn that when a current carrying conductor aluminum rod in the above experiment is placed in a magnetic field, a mechanical force acts on the conductor which makes it move due to mechanical force. The direction of the motion of the conductor moving up or down of the aluminum rod in the above experiment depend on the direction of current in the magnetic field, and it just we can find out by with the help of Fleming left hand rule. I will tell afterwards. The direction of force acting on the current carrying conductor placed in the magnetic field is perpendicular to the direction of current. Here force is what it is saying that the force acting on the conductor, force कहाँ है, force perpendicular act कर रहा है magnetic field के, ठीक है, force perpendicular act कर रहा है magnetic field के and also perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field. डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट के भी परपेंडिकुलर है एंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के भी परपेंडिकुलर है. In other words, we can say that the electric current and the magnetic field and the direction of force are at the right angles to one another. Since the force are at right angle to one another, since the conductor moves due to this force, hence the current carrying conductor when placed in a magnetic field moves in a direction perpendicular to the direction of current as well in the perpendicularly in the direction of the magnetic field. So how we can find out with the help of Fleming left hand rule? According to Fleming's left hand rule, stretch your forefinger, center finger and the thumb mutually perpendicular to each other such that the forefinger points in the direction of the magnetic field. The center finger indicates the direction of current and thumb gives the direction of the force of motion. Here you can see the directions. This is field and perpendicularly it is force direction or motion's direction, or this is perpendicular current direction. According to this hand rule, you can find out the current of any current or in an electric field, magnetic field direction or a force direction. Thank you.